Get ready, start. Honorable members, the Indian pharma sector has also proved its mettle during the corona period. Presently, products of Indian pharma companies are reaching more than 180 countries. However, there is a wide range of opportunities for India in this sector. The PLI scheme announced by my government for the pharma industry will further expand the opportunities and will also provide impetus to research. Yoga, Ayurveda, and traditional medical practices are also becoming increasingly popular due to the efforts of the government. The country used to export Ayush products worth rupees 6,600 crores in 2014. This export has now increased to more than rupees 11,000 crore. India is going to establish the world's first WHO Global Center of Traditional Medicine. My government considers ideals of Baba Saheb as its motto. My government believes in the mantra of Antyodaya, which encompasses social justice, equality, respect, and equal opportunities. Therefore, in the policies of the government, top priority is being given to villages, the poor scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and backward communities. The spirit of India is clearly reflected in the selection for Padma Awards in recent years. In a diverse country like India, dedicated people across the country are engaged in the service of the nation. They reflect the strength of India. Several major countries have experienced scarcity of food grains and faced starvation during the corona crisis. But my sensitive government ensured that nobody remained hungry during the worst pandemic in 100 years. My government is providing free ration to each poor household every month under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. This is the world's largest food distribution program with an outlay of rupees 2,60,000 crore, reaching out to 80 crore beneficiaries for 19 months. Being fully sensitive to the present circumstances, the government has extended this scheme till March 2022. Government is also running the PM Saunidhi scheme for enhancing the self-esteem of the poor and protection of their livelihood also during the corona period. This scheme is proving to be very useful for the street vendors. Under this scheme, more than rupees 2,900 crore have been provided to 28 lakh street vendors. The government is also connecting these street vendors with the online food delivery companies. Further, government has started the e-Shram portal